little GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro.
That's nice. That's
For
nice.
vlogging. ये है जोनी वीडियो, इनसे आपकी लंबी गपशप करवाएंगे। कमेंट दे रही है इस कब्रिस्तान के।
Which variety is it?
There is very famous mosa.
Yeah, this I have had.
Really?
Yeah.
But
Really.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my Pakistan. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I am fine, alhamdulillah.
Just gonna wait for my luggage.
How was your journey?
I'm good.
Good.
Why is he filming?
Because I think you watching my videos.
Huh?
Are you watching my videos?
No, I'm talking about that man. Wait, I will take it. It's heavy.
Come.
Thank you so much. I got a little GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro.
That's nice. That's
For
nice.
vlogging. He is my uncle.
Ah, now I see. Now I understand. I thought you were a stranger filming.
No, I am not certain.
Okay, but that's good.
He is my father. Good
Okay.
boy.
Nice to meet both of you. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for picking me up.
No.
You are right.
Firstly, we go to Ghar Kabristan.
Okay.
Sir ji, ये की है स्टे?
Ghar Kabristan, actually locally known as Ghar Kabristan. Originally, its name is graveyard for the foreigners.
Okay. Okay.
110 graves in this graveyard, and almost 30 or 40 graves have their pictures of the people who are living in the graves.
Yes. Yeah.
We are trying to access that graveyard if we easily accessible.
Okay.
तो अभी जी हम कब्रिस्तान देखने आए हैं, घोड़ा कब्रिस्तान जो कि फैसलाबाद में है। तो इन बाबा जी के पास कीज़ होती हैं यार कब्रिस्तान की। और ये है जोनी वीडियो, इनसे आपकी लंबी गपशप करवाएंगे क्योंकि ये आज रात इधर ही हैं। तो सुबह की उनको फ्लाइट। नो वन, ओनली टूरिस्ट टू नो अबाउट दिस। कहाँ चाचा जी ज़रा नाल आ जियो, थोड़ी जी हिस्ट्री दस दियो।
Superintendent of the police line. Yes, French.
Sounds British.
Yes. Murdered at Ghar. Ghar is actually a village almost 150 kilometers from this locality.
So he was part of the police.
Yes, it was in 1908.
That's a long time ago.
तो आप देख सकते हैं, मैं दरअसल फैसलाबाद में बस रहता हूँ, ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है। तो ये अंकल हैं, आप शायद इनको जानते होंगे, तो इनको नॉलेज है, वेरी वेल नो अबाउट हिस्ट्री। तो मैं इनको साथ लेके आया हूँ ताकि ये बेहतर बता सकें।
Sisters, SPs, sisters, and nuns, and all this type of people.
Whoa. I see. Wow.
In previous time, before partition, and now both graves are banned in this graveyard.
तो ये अभी यानी कि इस कब्रिस्तान में जो भी आता है घोड़ा, तो आके कुछ कमेंट यानी कि देना चाहे तो भी जो जोनी है वीडियो कमेंट दे रही है इस कब्रिस्तान के। जैसे दे गेव अ कमेंट ऑन दिस ग्रेवयार्ड इन लोकल लैंग्वेज। तो फैल मसीह सही है। तो बाकी इंशाल्लाह जी रात को मीटअप है, तो बैठेंगे, फिर गपशप करेंगे, इनसे पूछेंगे। ये पाकिस्तान में सोलो ट्रैवलिंग की है इन्होंने लास्ट 2 वीक से, तो वो भी इनसे पूछेंगे कि आपका कैसा रहा है। बाकी अल्लाह खैर करेगा इंशाल्लाह। बेसिकली ये हैं बेल्जियम से, तो पाकिस्तान आई हुई थी, तो इनका मुझे कमेंट आया था कि मैं आपसे मिलना चाहती हूँ, आपने कैसे ट्रैवल किया पाकिस्तान में, तो बस इसलिए आई हैं। तो हमारे पास टाइम कम था, अभी हम इसलिए इधर आ गए हैं कि पहले इनको ग्रेवयार्ड दिखाएं और उसके बाद फिर बाकी गपशप करें। तो चलते हैं और देखते हैं।
I've been few days in Lahore, Peshawar, Abu Dhabi. How do you say it?
अलियाबाद,
No.
एबटाबाद,
Yeah, that one. Then I went to the north, to Hunza and Skardu.
Monza.
Yeah. Hunza, Pasu, Brumi.
Pasu.
Really
Hussaini
beautiful.
Bridge.
Yeah.
Alted Balted Forts.
I did a hike there. It was a dangerous bridge.
हुसैनी ब्रिज और हुसैनी ब्रिज।
Yeah. And then been to Skardu, Kaplu, and then Islamabad.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow through the sun rays.
Where you feel comfortable at night? At home or hotel?
We have both
No
options.
problem at all.
No, that's fine. That's okay. Yeah. That's good for me.
We can recommend you our home
Yeah.
and local food made at home.
Both is okay
You are
for
good?
me. Yes, I'm good. Thank you.
This locality has 8 bazaars, you know. 8 bazaars
That's
for
a lot.
shopping. Yes,
Yeah.
for shopping.
From one to
Four bazaars are narrow,
Okay.
as Union Jack of the UK are explaining or briefing or showing, and 4 bazaars are broader.
Okay.
And now we are entering one of the 8 bazaars. It's called known as Chiniod Bazaar.
Okay. So every bazaar different name.
Every bazaar has a different
Okay.
name. Chiniod is actually a locality from this point at least 100 kilometers from this
Okay.
area. And in old time, buses from this block travel.
आप देख सकते हैं जी, हम घंटा घाट आ चुके हैं और ये घंटा घाट विज़िट करेंगे तो आपको भी दिखाएंगे।
Which writing is it?
There is maybe there's something. There is in English.
Yeah. And then the.
There is Punjabi,
Yeah.
Indian Punjabi. This
Oh,
is
this is so
all
busy.
eight bazaar. There is Bawana Bazaar, there is Jang Bazaar, there is Montgomery Bazaar, because there at the street there was Montgomery,
Okay.
which was construction at the when Elizabeth Victoria visited this city in maybe 1920-30 era.
Yeah.
When she come, the city like a beautiful thing. So
Probably, they
there
made
is
it
a
all
bolt
pretty.
Montgomery.
Yeah.
We go there after
Okay.
take some pictures.
I'm just gonna make a little.
हाँ तो आप देख सकते हैं जी, अभी हम मौजूद हैं क्लॉक टावर पे और मेरे साथ है जोनी विदर जो कि मेहमान है बेल्जियम से। तो अभी इसको मैं अपनी सिटी विज़िट करवा रहा हूँ फैसलाबाद, जहाँ का मैं रहने वाला हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो जाके लस्सी ना ट्राई करिए, तो बहुत ही बंगाली वाले की लस्सी ना ट्राई करिए, सही होंगी ना। यू वांट टू ट्राई लस्सी? देयर वाज बंगाली मिल्क चाट, लस्सी टाइप ऑफ yogurt with water.
Okay, we can try.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
This is a VIP tour I'm getting. Yes, that's nice. Thank you.
Now we'll go inside. Little bit.
Have you ever been?
No. I come here first time.
Okay.
Very first time. Carefully.
Yeah, wait. Okay.
Carefully.
Yeah.
Don't touch. Why? Okay.
Whoa.
Now look there, look there.
Yeah, we're first gonna make a little video.
There is some coat. Can I speak in the video?
Huh?
Can I speak in the video to telling the
Ah, sure.
this is Montgomery Bazaar.
Oh,
This
wait.
This is Kachari Bazaar because there was a court. You see on the left side
Nice.
there was a. Actually, I don't know exact names of the.
Oh, don't worry, that's fine.
Be carefully.
Yeah. Thank you.
This clock tower material bought by Delhi
Oh,
in when they built it 1905,
okay, cool.
and after that
You should film this, it's with the sunset.
there is a sunset. ਇਹ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਜ਼ਾਰ ਬਾਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ तो मैंने भी नहीं याद है एग्जैक्ट। अभी जी हम पोस्टल कार्ड ढूंढ रहे हैं क्योंकि एक जो ट्रैवलर होता है नॉर्मली पोस्टल कार्ड को ही कलेक्ट करता है क्योंकि उसका इतना वज़न नहीं होता और एक यादगार होती है जिस सिटी वो गया है और उसको अपने करने से जाता है। तो वैसे ही अभी जर्नी कर रही है तो लगे हुए हम फाइंड कर देखने इधर फैसलाबाद की जो मीपुर है तो भाई भी सर्च कर रहे हैं बाकी देखते हैं इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह खैर करेगा।
I think when I'm in Iraq, I will find the stamps to send them.
Maybe
Yeah,
because there was
now-
always chance.
Yeah, now it's gonna close as well.
When I asked for my father about postal card, they also say me about postal stamp. Post
Yeah,
stamp. You can
but I will
get
do it in
easily.
Iraq.
Okay. This is in Pakistan. There is a very famous mosa.
Yeah, this I have
Eat?
had. Yeah, it's
But
really good.
you eat in North. There is no spices and no much food. But when you eat in Punjab, this is a Punjab. है? Come here. थोड़ी तोड़ के दियो. थोड़ी तोड़ के दियो. ज़ायके वास्ते ना. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ? ਹੈ?
ਗੇਵਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੋ
ਗੇਵਰ?
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰੋ
What is it?
ਗੇਵਰ.
Huh?
Ghevar. How are you? Like a sweet.
I'm good. It's sweet. That's nice. Thank you.
They have also street food with this.
But I recognize it from the sweets, no?
You want
The
with you?
Pakistani sweet, yeah. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay,
No, I leave
shukriya.
tomorrow. So thank you.
Ali is my nickname. Ali is my nickname because Sahir is in punctual. Sahir is a very difficult name.
Yeah.
Normally every people call me Ali in college, university, home. But when I travel like you know me about with my name of Sahir.
Yeah. But I think Ali is easier as well. So I'm gonna
Ali
say
is
that.
easy and also a common name.
Yeah.
When firstly I have Sahir Said on my couchsurfing profile, but when I change to Ali,
Yeah.
I lot request from couchsurfing because Ali is like holy name for Iranians.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Thank you so much. We found it.
Found it?
Yes.
How many you purchased?
I took 4.
Took 4.
Yes.
ਸਕਰਤੂ ਚ ਇਹਨੂੰ 150 ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਇੱਥੋਂ 100 ਦੇ 4 ਮਿਲ ਗਏ। I told him
All of
Faisalabad.
Faisalabad.
ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਨੋਰਥ ਦੇ ਆ। ਫੈਸਲਾਬਾਦ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ।
ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ।
ਫੈਸਲਾਬਾਦ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਉਹ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਜੋ ਨਵੀਂ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਬਣਾਈ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਵਿਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ You have a water bottle?
I have a water bottle. Yeah, I have everything. I'm prepared.
ਇਹ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਵਾਟਰ ਬੋਤਲ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੱਡੀ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਕੀ ਸਰ ਇਹ ਬੋਤਲ ਦਿਖਾ ਵੱਡੀ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਉਹ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਚਲ ਦਿਖਾ ਦਿਓ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ
For warm drinks. But I have it. Yes.
just check it let us say this is that
For the tea.
for the tea
Then.
for very long travel when you
Yeah.
travel in Sahara like Africa
Yeah.
where you cannot get water.
I'm not gonna go to Africa. You have everything in the shop.
In the shop one shop and everything. तो डिनर के लिए जी हम आ गए हैं क्या हमला में आप देख सकते हैं
Everything here.
What's your favorite?
You want a light or
My favorite kebab.
Okay, I'm just gonna have a look first. That's nice, sweet and sour chicken. It's so you're a full-time vlogger.
try to full time मैंने मंगाया है जी टिक्का वाली साहब ने मंगाया बेसिकली मैंने नहीं मैं फुल था कबाब से और जोनी ने मंगाए हैं चाइनीज़ राइस और अभी खा रहे हैं तो डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाह रहा तो बाकी आपको इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे ये अफगानी कबाब है और अभी हम हैं ख्याम में तो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है माशाल्लाह तो अभी जी हमारे शहर में है कुछ खास करने को भी तो जो फर्लैंड है और गो लेट्स वॉक है
Because I'm gonna throw up if I'm gonna go in the direction now. I had too much food.
There is no food, there is like
Yeah, no, but my belly is full. So
Ah.
if I go now
Go,
in a direction, then I will throw up. I have to do that with empty stomach.